Hi, this is an introduction to the Adafruit Circuit Playground, which is a microcontroller. This microcontroller has a variety of sensors, including a sound sensor, a temperature sensor, a light sensor. It also has a motion and tilt sensor. It has a speaker, which will allow you to make sounds or music. It has two buttons that you can use to start a program, stop a program, start a specific action. You can even use those in combination. It has 8 RGB LED lights, which means you can make those any color that you would like. And those are around the outside edge here. It has a variety of ways that you can connect other devices to this, other strings of lights, motors, sensors, and we'll go over those later. But notice along the outside edge, these can also be used as touch sensors. These metal pieces along the outside. You can easily clip alligator clips to these to connect devices. You can also bolt onto these if you want to make a secure connection. Notice the labeling by these. So this one, G and D, stands for ground. You have, this is A4, A5. This one says 3.3V, which stands for 3.3 volts. A5, and so on. We have another ground here. We have another one that's a V out here. So you'll want to pay attention to that when you're connecting other pieces of equipment to your device. There's also a mini connector here as well. So we'll talk about those as needed. The sensors can be used in lots of different ways. They can be used, let's take an example. So our temperature sensor. You could create a program that, based on what temperature it is, would change the colors of your lights. So if it was over 30 degrees, maybe your lights are blue. If it's over 50 degrees, the lights turn to green. If it's over 80 degrees, the lights turn to red. And you could even make this a sequence of lights. So lower temperature, maybe less lights are on. Higher temperature, more lights are on. You can use the sound sensor. You could use that to start a specific program. You can use it to do a variety of things with your lights. You could do things with a motor. So maybe the louder the sound, the faster the servo moves. You have your speaker, which in the programming you can create either sounds or you can create melodies that you can have played under specific conditions. So whenever I press button A, play this melody. If I press button B, you're going to play a different melody, and so on. So there are lots of things that you can do with this microcontroller, and we'll go into some specifics a little bit later. Thanks. Bye.